Hi, everyone. Hi, I'm very happy to be here today for 20 minutes sharing this time with you and with one of our great partner named EI Technology Cognizant Company. Hi, George. How are you doing?
Hi.
You're fine? Good?
Fine, good, thank you.
Great. So before letting George introducing himself, so a few words about me and the company, Citi. So I'm RVP Sales EMEA, and I'm very thrilled to be here today with you. So what is Citi? Citi is a complete suite, okay, for your field sales. The idea is the life of your field sales, bring them efficiency for the mobility, all the mobility processes online and offline. And this goes through many features, many modules. One named Citi Mobile, who is a native extension of the Salesforce platform and allow you to use Salesforce fully offline on iOS, Android, or Windows. There is other features like Citi Presenter, who is a full digital sales head, okay, brings digital information and content for your field sales. There is also Citi Orders, who brings a penny perfect pricing solution working online and offline for all the ordering processes. There is also Citi Vision. Citi Vision is basically allow you to bring AI image recognition for all the, for example, store check, the perfect store audit, and all the steps. This can be done in few clicks now. There is also Citi Sign and Citi Scan, who are very useful on the day-to-day work of your field sales. Of course, all this suite, as I said, is fully embedded on Salesforce, working with platform, working with Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or even CG Cloud. Basically, our solution is a full extension of the Salesforce platform. Okay. For this, we got a lot of recognitions by the markets. We bring the real expertise, and we can liaise this expertise with our partner. And this is what you will see in a few minutes with George. This expertise allows us basically to bring a lot of innovation, a lot of new features, brings you much more value to the customers. Our customers, actually, we are a lot of customers on many industries. The two main ones are consumer goods, where we have like one of the biggest, like Danone, like L'Oréal, like Pernod Ricard, and so on. We have also good coverage on consumer health with like Bayer in Germany or UPSA or Ipsen in France. A very good for us. These two industry are the main ones, but we are of course on others like don't know, for example, Mikit or Groupe Roulier or Philips. We can bring a lot of value. Actually, each time you have a field sales team working on the go on the mobility, Citi Mobile can bring you value. Our presence, we have a worldwide presence working with a numerous number of partners. But today we'll focus on one specific one, which is Cognizant, with who we have a very strong and long relationship. And that's exactly what George will share with us today. So hi, George. Very happy to have you with us today. So can you please introduce yourself, EI Technology, and your role within the company?
Okay, thank you, Brahim. So I'm Georges Sawaya. I'm partner at EI Technology, managing the retail, CPG, luxury, and pharma business unit. So EI Technology, with 320 employees, is a subsidiary of the Cognizant Group. Cognizant is one of the world's leading consulting and professional services companies supporting organizations in their strategic, operational, and technological transformation. So Cognizant achieved 16.7 billion in sales in 2020 with 290,000 employees around the world who provide the international dimension that large groups need. So let's get back to EI Technology. We have been supporting our customers in their digital transformation process for more than 10 years now. And EI Technology made an early choice of the expertise of the Salesforce platform for customer relationship transformation. With the Summit Partner status, the highest level of partnership, we are one of the 3 leaders in this sector in France. We have more than 100 projects per year, and we implemented all the clouds on the Salesforce platform. We have also selected the best solutions from the Salesforce ecosystem, ISV. I mean the ISV, such as mobility and offline, CLM, electronic signature, invoicing, subscription economy. With this expertise, it enabled us to create App Innovation, the leading European gathering for Salesforce ISV in 2018. Sorry. So since 2009, we have created the largest Salesforce authorized training center in Europe under the EI Institute brand, with more than 1,500 people trained each year. What else? Agility, proximity to our customers, and our specialization are our main assets, but being part of the Cognizant Group provides us with an international presence and access to digital skills that complement our offers, such as data, portals, cloud architectures, and APIs. This all allows us to support our customers on any type of project, from innovative initiatives to transform their client approach to the implementation of major international projects. So with more than 7,000 Salesforce consultants around the world with Cognizant, we can respond to requests and provide our clients with the benefits of multiple project experience feedback.
Okay, great. Thank you. So, George, can you please describe in few words how CT and Cognizant and EI Technology / Cognizant work together, and for how long?
Okay, first of all, EI Technology is convinced that it is necessary to get closer to the right partners to meet the challenges of our customers. So EI Technology has been working with Customer Times for 6 years now on many projects. The mobility and offline solutions offered by Customer Times effectively complement Salesforce solutions in order to meet the challenges of our customers. We have learned to work together enough through joint efforts and through various projects. We understand the logic behind the Customer Times products. So we jointly, with Customer Times, EI Technology and Customer Times, we design solutions to meet the challenges of our customers, common customers. Our knowledge of Customer Times solutions, their principles and philosophy, supported by the Salesforce in-depth knowledge of Customer Times, allows us to offer innovative and sustainable solutions. So from pre-sales to meet customer needs through the implementation of the solution, EI Technology works hand in hand with Customer Times with the transparency and confidence that allow us to deliver jointly while respecting our common commitments. And one last thing, the presence in France of Customer Times teams, account executives, and consultants is a real advantage. So proximity and the resulting agility are really key for success.
Okay, great. There is a lot of ISV actually in the market. So sorry about this question, but why specifically Customer Time?
Because we are very confident with Customer Time solutions. This is experience. So we have been working together for 6 years. We met other ISVs for sure, but we are still working 6 years after. We are still working with Customer Times.
Okay, great. Thank you. And you were talking about a lot of projects we've done all along these 6 years, and that which is great. But is there one specific, like the most remarkable project you work on? And can you please share some details about this one? What was the challenges before, and how Customer Time and EU Technology solve those challenges?
Yeah, sure. So one of our most remarkable common projects is the digital transformation of a major fine spirits producer. Our customer is a French manufacturer of fine spirits with a worldwide reach. Securing multi-annual supplies for our customers is a strategic issue, particularly when it comes to inextensible resources and therefore precious raw materials. So this is really key for our customers. The main business process in the wine growers is the wine growers relationship management based on Sales Cloud and CT Mobile from Customer Times. So the situation before the project was really not good. The main pains were a lack of consistency in wine growers follow-up, a lack of flexibility of legacy tools and misalignment with business strategy, inefficiency with really outdated tools, and missing efficient mobile apps for visiting wine growers. This is really very, very key. So the main topics of the solution we designed and built are a wine growers-centric system with a wine grower journey redesign, online and offline mobile tools for visits based on CT Mobile from Customer Times, and a business visit questionnaires based on CT Mobile also. So there are other issues like contract management and raw material assessment, but the customer, the wine grower journey is really very, very important in our project.
Okay, so you bring a lot of value for those wine growers ecosystem for this customer. Okay.
Yes.
So that, which is great. And after more than 1 year, I guess. So what are the benefits for this customer?
Yes. The project, the system is online for more than 1 year now, and the benefits for our customers are numerous. So among of these, we can find efficient data sharing for users. This putting an end to many disappointments. Okay, the second key point is enabling offline mode. This is really key, considering that there are many areas of non-coverage in the affected regions with CT Mobile. So this is really key in our new system. Third point is it's a better follow-up of wine growers. Major issue also, the solution allowed to grow significantly the efficiency of wine growers' field visitors with CT Mobile. Fourth point is a greatly reduced time for document generation with one tool, mainly pricing and contracts with one tool. And last but not least, it's a very rich roadmap provided by Salesforce and Customer Times compared to legacy solutions.
Okay, yeah. So this innovation will also bring so value today, but also for the future needs of this customer. Okay,
yes,
great.
Yes.
And to finish, do you have any feedback to any customer who will be interested by Customer Time?
Yes, sure. So first of all, supporting business strategy is not only about tools. It is really about vision. It is about operational efficiency, about agility and sustainability. So knowing from the e-technology and cognizant point of view, knowing how to surround yourself with the right partners is key to success. And this is why we work and still work from 6 years to now with CT Mobile, with customer time, sorry. So if you have mobility problems and also situations where the network will fail, you must think about equipping yourself with the right solutions. Field sales or visitors must be able to rely on tools that simplify their work and save them time. And it's sure that if you lose the support of your field sales because there's a pattern with the tool, it's not really it's not easy to recover after this. So to recover confidence of your field persons. And more generally, it is about operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Customer time solutions meet these challenges. They are flexible and they can support complex processes, maximize the impact of field operations, and decrease customer satisfaction.
Great. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, because indeed, we as a customer times solution, we want indeed to bring value in, as you said, offline use cases, but not only. Our adding value will be wider than that. Will bring value for all the mobility use cases. As soon as you have field sales, as soon as you have mobility processes, customer times will bring you an extra added value, will bring you, as you said, this flexibility, this impact on the field operation and efficiency. So thank you, Georges. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for all those let's say stories which were very, very interesting. Thank you all for listening. We're very happy to share this with you. So you can connect us, so both Georges and myself on LinkedIn if you have any question. Of course, all this video will be available later on demand. You will get the link to the replay. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.